Hey campers, how are we getting on? So I thought I'd do a little video for you because like us on this 6-week NC 500 trip, you might be thinking about what do we do with washing while starting a campsite. We decided to bring 1 week's worth of clothes and just keep washing them. So we are now, unlike last year, experiencing the laundry room in these campsites. Most of them have got one. Some don't, but the ones that we go to have generally got a laundry room. And from what I've seen so far, what we've seen so far, is it normally costs about 10 quid to wash and dry your clothes. Whether it be 5 or 6 quid in the washer and then 4 or 5 quid in the dryer, it's more or less normally about a tenner. And that, from what I've seen and what I've experienced, one load of washing is normally 1.5 to 2 loads of washing that you would do at home in a smaller drum. We've got, I think, a 7-kilo drum in our washing machine at home. These are far bigger. The dryers are far bigger. So essentially, you're doing 2 loads of washing that you'd normally get through at home in one wash and one dry, and that costs a tenner. Normally do a quick wash. Just somebody walked. I thought somebody was coming by. That's not my load in the washing machine. So that's just something else you need to be wary of, right? You've got, let's say 100 pictures on the campsite, 100 people wanting to do washing. I'd say half of them, 50 people wanting to do washing. There's a very good chance that the washing machine is going to be used and a very good chance that the dryer is going to be used. So you've got to get your timing right. Keep walking past, seeing what's being used. This is somebody else's washing. It's got 22 minutes left. They walked past before I started recording this video, so I know they're going to be coming back and just see me in here. They're probably going to come back in 25 minutes and transfer their washing to a dryer. I will then take the washing machine. Queuing system, right? But yeah, we've not found it difficult. So for 6 weeks, there's 5 of us, 6 weeks. You can imagine we get through a lot of clothes. Me and Sammy, we wear less clothes camping than we would at home. You know, I've had this jumper on, you know, on a lot of these videos actually, but I have got more jumpers. It's just, I'll have 2 jumpers in rotation and I just won't wash them until they absolutely need to be, and they start literally jumping in the washing machine themselves. Always have clean undercrackers on, obviously, but the kids, they go through a lot of clothes. They get through, yeah, a full set of clothes every single day. There's no way you can recycle them, not, well, we can't. Essentially, they're running around doing knee slides, sliding tackles, cartwheels, rolling around in dirt, pretty much like a dog, to be fair. So they're getting their knees, their trousers, their elbows, the jumpers, all tattered and torn and whatnot. So yeah, we get through a set of clothes. There's 3 kids. There's 3 sets of kids' clothes a day, plus towels. So we brought 5 towels with us. So you know you can dry them, but they, you know, you're on a campsite. We do tend to get through quite a few towels. So it's more or less kids' clothes, towels, and you know the odd outfit and set of undercrackers for me and Sammy. So we're doing the equivalent of 2 loads a week. So 1 visit to the laundry per week. This will be the 4th time. We're now finishing week 3. So it'll be the 4th time we've done the washing. Yeah, all good. No dramas though. They always seem to be easy to use. Some use tokens, some use coins, some use old English pound coins because they're really old. But they all seem to be like laundrette quality washing machines. So they go quicker, the tumble dryers take more, and they dry your clothes quicker. The one I've got at home sometimes can take an hour and a half to dry everything. Here they seem to take like 40 minutes. All good. I mean, you don't really need to know much else other than what it's like to experience the laundry on a campsite, I guess. It's no big drama. You're always within 100 yards of the washing facilities, generally speaking, on these campsites, so you just need to get a bag, wander down, get it done. Today is absolutely pissing down, so hence the reason why it is laundry day. We're also both working. I'll finish walking back and I'll make sure I come back in 15 minutes. I did actually do another video of me in Dornoch doing the laundry. I might put a clip to it in this video. If I do, it will be now. £30, is that it? Fuck it, what could possibly go wrong? Right. The other one. Ah, nice. Quick wash. Bosh. 30 minutes. Bosh. Who said a man can't do washing, eh? Oh, look at this, look. If only we had a DVD player. The Croods, Fantastic Mr. Fox, Hotel Transylvania, Sex and the City 2. Ooh, classic. But yeah, it's all right. It's no drama at all. We find it super easy. So let me just wander back. It's always funny because on these campsites I'm wandering around with this selfie stick, filming myself talk a load of rubbish. But it's useful for you guys, right? So I'm doing it for you. But all of the campers seem to look at me as if I'm some kind of alien. Yeah, so we're in Scotland. We're at Edinburgh currently on the NC 500 on Isle of Skye. Heading down to Fort William tomorrow. And then after that, we're going to Loch Lomond, and then we're going down to England. Anyway, I'm waffling on. So I'll go back there in 15, 20 minutes, do my washing. You can see, it's nice and easy, no drama at all. Hang on, let me just flick it down a bit. Yeah, no drama at all. But you can't stick the washing on and just wander off. Go away for the day because other people are going to want to use it. So I'll end it there. Thank you very much for watching. Hope it's been useful. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Laters.